The trans elevator that we installed, and this is an inside view of it. This is the motor that rotates it with the wire stop on top of it. How nice it looks. There is glass all around it. There is glass all around it and you can see it from outside. Its machine is on top. There is a view from the outside. You can see the glass on all sides. You can also see how cute Lift looks from the outside of her car. It has lights in every color. It also has aluminum and glass, so it's great. People often install it in homes and it's very expensive. It looks cute, but it's in homes. Now it goes up and down, so it goes so smoothly that the person does not know that we are sitting in the car, so it goes very well. Many such elevators in Malaysia, so this is a very good company, very awesome. Look at how shiny it is, its glasses, its aluminum, its lighting, it's very impressive, it goes smoothly.
Buena Gina, babe.